quick video on the campaign estimations calculator. So first head over to the Discover tab. And once you've made your selection of influencers by simply highlighting the checkbox below them and heading to the bottom screen, on the bottom left, you'll see an arrow. And next to that, the amount of influencers you have selected and the total reach. So click on the up arrow. And this will open the estimated results. So what you see here is total followers, total engagement. You see things like performance, influencer brand affinity, audience reachability, audience age and gender split, language, location, audience brand affinity, category affinity, top engaged users and topics. So all of this will help you make a decision on whether or not this group of influencers is going to be the right group for you. If you want to change that, simply come out, remove 1 or 2 from the list and add 1 or 2 more and repeat the process.